In this video, we will learn how to pick from drop-down list in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet, and here I have some sales data. You can see here the last column I is location. So there are 4 locations here. Enter. So east, north, west and south. Okay. So just select your cell where you want to pick from the drop down list and right click of the mouse and click on the pick from drop down list option. Okay. Now you can see the drop down list of 4 locations. So select your location. I select here the south, same as for other column also. So this is a D column. D column is a cell's representative name, same as I select the cell here and right click of the mouse and select the pick from drop down list option, and you can see here the all cells representative names. Select those you want. So I select here the one. So this is a way you can pick from the drop down list in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe.